All right, Kara, time now for better food. Make your next taco night a little more interesting with some interesting ingredients.
Yes, Grace Vallow from Tastefully Grace is here, and she's upping the ante with taco night. Hi, Grace.
Hi guys, it's so great to see you, and I can't wait to make these 2 tacos for you guys.
All right, let's do it. I'm starving.
Yeah, so the sun is out. It's definitely taco season. It's so warm out, and all I crave is like an ice cold beer and some tacos. So I'm going to start off by showing you a pulled pork taco with a grainy mustard slaw. It is so yummy. And it all starts with our slaw. So I have here a coleslaw mix that I just got in the grocery store. It has like carrots and cabbage, etc. I added just a little bit of red onion to it, and I'm going to show you how to make this grainy Dijon mustard vinaigrette. So I have some apple cider vinegar that I'm going to add to the Dijon mustard. And then I have just a little bit of honey. And the honey is just going to mellow out the vinaigrette a little bit so it's not so like acidic. And then I have a little bit of olive oil that I'm going to add right in there too. And I'm going to take a spoon and I'm just going to mix together all those ingredients and then pour it right into my slaw.
Yum.
Yum. It smells so good in here.
Oh.
Yeah,
and I'm going to give it a nice mix together. And once it's mixed together, then it's literally just assembly. That's all. So I have a hard taco shell here. You can also use a soft taco shell if you prefer. I have some pulled pork, and you can usually actually get pulled pork right in the grocery store, or, you know, we have all these amazing barbecue places in Connecticut too, where you can get your pulled pork. And then I'm just going to add some of that slaw right in there on top of the pulled pork. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of Mexican cheese on the top, like that Mexican cheese blend you get in the grocery store. A few jalapenos for the spicy lovers. Obviously, you can just leave that off. And then just a little bit of barbecue sauce. And you can also use like taco sauce. You can use really whatever sauce you want on top. But to me, just the barbecue sauce is like heaven.
My mouth.
So that is all you have to do for this amazing pulled pork taco. But that's not it. I have a whole other taco to show you.
Okay.
I have my shrimp taco with a lime crema slaw. And you're probably wondering, like, why is she making all these slaws for these tacos? But I love slaw because it's so customizable. It adds a nice crunch, and you can just make a whole different flavor profile.
Okay.
So I have my shrimp here in a bowl. It's just, you know, the shrimp that you get in the grocery store in the frozen section, thaw it, and you want to cut the tails off. And then I have a spice blend here. I have some chili powder, I have some smoked paprika, some garlic powder, and onion powder. And it smells just fantastic, and that's when you know it's good. And I'm just gonna pour it right in with my shrimp, give it a nice stir, and then I'm gonna pop them right into a really piping hot skillet here with just a little bit of vegetable oil, and they're gonna caramelize up into like these amazing little shrimp bites. So while that's going, we're gonna work on our really fast, amazing lime crema slaw. So in this bowl, I have some sour cream, I have some lime zest and garlic, and I'm just gonna take some lime juice this lime, squeeze it to death, and then I'm just gonna mix all of these ingredients together to make our lime crema. And then I'm going to pop it right into a bowl with a little bit of Savoy cabbage and some red onion. And Savoy cabbage is just like green cabbage, but it's a little bit more curly and fun looking and a little bit more mild. So I'm gonna give that a nice toss. And then it's just quick assembly. So I have this time a nice soft corn tortilla, and I'm going to add to it our slaw, our lime crema slaw. You can also add just a little bit of lime crema on the top too. And I have my shrimp that's been caramelizing away here. I'm gonna add the shrimp right on top. Yum. And then to garnish on the top, I have a little bit of cotija cheese, which is like queso fresco, but it's a little bit drier and more crumbly. And then just some fresh cilantro on the top.
Yum.
And that's it. 2 completely different tacos. So easy and just like amazingly delicious.
Wow, Grace, they both look delicious. My mouth is watering and I'm coming
Yes.
to your house.
Restaurant quality. We can up the ante. Thank you so much. Those are great recipes.
Thank you. Great to see you guys.
Great to see you too. Thanks for the great job. Awesome. I love both of those.
Yeah, and there we go. You want more from Grace, her recipes? You can follow her at Tastefully Grace on Instagram and also see her YouTube videos in case you want to follow along.
Love it. All right.